If you don't have Photoshop at home, you can always go into your browser online and choose Pixlr Editor. And when you type that into your search bar, you go down here to Online Photo Editor. You click on that. It's pixlr.com. Try Pixlr X. You click on that. It brings up your images here, and basically you can go in Open Images, select it from your computer, open it up, select Full HD or whatever size your image is. Here's the image. You want to go over to your left to click on Crop, and inside the crop information, we're going to turn on the aspect ratio. The width and the height is going to be 1:1, and the preset is square, so if you want to just choose square. And then once you move your crop information where you'd like it to be, you can always just stop right there and click apply. Once you apply that square image, because your homework is going to be a 5:5 setting, so this is going to be a square, you click on save, and you can rename your file. It's JPEG. Turn this value all the way up to 100. You can either choose PNG or JPEG. It's all fine. PNG is going to get like a better color information. JPEG is going to compress it a little bit, and so you take that percentage up to 100, and then you click on download, and then download will take you onto your computer, and then you can save that image in a 5:5 scale.